Utsala buku na what man kuna wa vuhlamberi wabo watani lava ku ndlayi ni twe ku lava ku tsala buku no problem cataract leswi mi nge papa Xitsonga ni twe Mthimba a ri karhi before Mthimba a nga eka ku na tihlo na papa yeah wabo.
This thing that there's someone in your family, I don't know whether a sibling who's blind as well.
Yeah, there's my young brother. One Rami of God out on the lago negative.
Ngwatlang swi mpana mi we. Ukumuri munhu rhandza ku vavasati vana
and ranzo vavasati.
Rhandza yini?
Ndiko ni exikolweni. Mama mi le ku byela ku ma exikolweni so yeah, my mom passed when I was 4. My dad passed when I was 15. By that time angena xikolweni xin'wana va ri Erewhon School for the Blind xa Mabofo. So Mabofo i rito ra Xitsonga ro vula ku vanhu lavo ka va nga voneki loko ni hlamusela. Hi xilungu va ri blind. Ku na lava mo twanga ku loko va ku blind swa antswa than va ku bofu. And it's one of the same. Yeah, so yeah.
Vakhandle Group lowu i ntlawa lowu nga ku heleketaka evuhuseleni bya wena hi ndlela yo hlawuleka. U nga ha tlhela u vuyeriwa wa ha ri kwala emisaveni. Swiyenge swa Vakhandle Group swi katsa leswi: Muganga Basic laha u chayelaka hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 110 rand. U kuma tende 100 wa switulu, mobile toilet, basic sound system, tihunyi na 5000 rand. Muganga Premium u chayela hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 130 leyi ku nyikaka 10000 rand. Muganga Super Premium ya ku nyika 15000 rand yi tlhela ku nyika vanhu va ntlhanu vo pfuna loko u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 150 rand ntsena. Muganga Cash Only Benefit u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 110 rand loko u ri xirho u nga engetela 50 rand ntsena. U joyina Muganga Unveiling Benefit vuxokoxoko byi le ka 064 755 5674 kasi eka website hi vakhandlegroup.co.za. Rhumela rungula eka info@vakhandlegroup.co.za. Vakhandle Group, we are family.
Yeah.
My baba
Minjani?
I no mbacha endla ku hi tshama hi kurile.
Minjani?
Mi vula yini?
How are you?
Oh, I'm very fine, thanks. What about you?
Pfukini. Loyi nga na 8 Mbenzane vuya ra vumbirhi la channel, that's why mina n'wana ni nga ri excited. A ni vi excited hi vanhu vo vuyavuya. That's why na loko munhu a tekiweni se a va xivuya, I don't get excited about that because if I n'wi tiva la ka ku vuya, so he's no longer a guest, he's a homeboy. But thanks for coming to this beautiful platform, and your platform ya ka Gazi ya ku kala ku dyela.
And your platform ya ka Gazi yi duma ku tlula hinkwato.
Yo duma ngopfu hi content. Yeah, so ni lava hi teka hi vulavula hi vutomi bya wena, especially from laha hi sukaka kona, where we left at the guide, because I mean na story to where you are today. Or na other things about life, your perspective. But in Talaba, even a background, yeah, when I will still share that information because it's very crucial. Kalabangata, I wanna she's one hour. I wanna. Yeah. Jaime tu infano Msambikani mai baba charu kula impata tanuna jete yemane mi amugalaka del channel dot matters abu del channel that matters the most. Ago ambo kwata walava awlave itazuku pa yawen yimanimi amugalaka. The only channel that matters to watch is No Filter. My dog, if you are weak, just go and sleep. Nakupushana na kapteni mfuke
Ukela mjani.
Just for an overview, munhu loyi ni nga na yena a ngumbala madimasi mhaka ku rhandza madimasi. He's blind literally. We had an interview. If you like, you can just comment. We'll give you the link about much more detail about his background. But I would like you to share, like in brief, we were money and stuff.
And Balmademazi Magagone blind.
But like,
I need the other blind people who do not wear glasses, sunglasses specifically. Nimbalela kuni affect we more another. Na light. That's all.
Awesome. How does light affect you?
eye condition ya mina loko ni face light kumbe dyambu or ni biwa ngopfu hi moya swi vula ku ni ta twa ku vava. Then solution ku ni mbala ti-glass to minimize those chances ya ta ku twa ku vava.
All right, give a brief background of your life.
Brief background ya life ya mina my baba ne i ku I've lived time even life before I was born and I lived after. Not that I traveled time back because you can't. Loko I travel back and then I drop up I mean even better me ngatswarwa. One to say
Why would you want to kill your father?
no, it's an example you cannot travel back time.
Okay.
You can travel forward time.
Okay.
But I have lived back time and I'm living forward time. I was born kumanyana kwala nyana uma 1980 uma 2000 man kwala
Some chance. Wala kusina kwa chances. Just not kwa chances.
okay, no, I was born Kamalamlele at this other neighborhood. It was an informal settlement Rulani, simply because there are people who were affected by wars in countries such as Mozambique, and then they had to flee to that area. Some of them, South Africa, Renam, which was trained here in Palabur. So I was born in that place. Maybe my parents were 10 years in that place or more. Yeah.
Ila na papa rana mako.
Papa Rana. No, yo magamig.
Ito na papa rana mako mi. Oh, June.
And John Nawafa.
Okay. Okay, yeah, you still continue with the background.
So yeah, and I was born like any kid, and I think I was a blessing because I'm still a blessing. Kukula kamena sunande asunganande. You know, when you are suffering, you never see who are suffering until you get what you didn't have by that time. So one of them mada kujonga basti kwacho. Want to say?
Uko unafumana jongo?
Loko kukufumana jongo baka ulaku you are not capacitated.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Kuba capacitated. Leswa so wa shota ka shota la mhleketong ya we. Loko ru memory card ta ko se chelwa ti same.
Okay.
So yeah, and I went to school, Skelane Junior Primary. I went to school, Shigalo Primary School, and Randa School. So that's one get to say when you school. My mom me go jail with my school. So yeah, my mom passed when I was 4. My dad passed when I was 15. By that time, I'm going to school in Shumabara area when school for the blind Shama Bofo. So my Bofo area to write song around Lago. One now Kawanga Woni, Kiloponi Slamse. Okay. Ishilungu were blind. Kuna la mama trying to go blind. So I'm so done with both. And it's one of the same.
Oh, so
yeah, so yeah, it is not offensive for me, but in I young one because some of them are not confident as I am. Yeah, and then I grew up past grade 12, 2019. I did a lot of things in my life, in my heart. That's why I'm like, I have to bridge, Yeah, man, in high school, I was a debater, and I was on that sport, but when I was growing up, and ran that ball, and ran that ball, I was a good player. Lamanga tlanga mo kwana makaya maelele kwa lana mo matlanga so marko kwane, you know the background, you will not go anywhere even if you are the best with something. It's very rare.
Very rare, especially from our villages.
Yeah. I wish something will improve there. Itana muno mama tekoshkaya vanhu mama tekoshkaya in huge numbers singaboyi kwa umajoni kuba tlangela those big teams. Yeah, so I used to be in debate in high school. I was the best in those things. Things like debate, the politics, and I was the best in those things. So in 10, I converted into a politician because I understand economics, which means that I understand better for tax. That's one time in the premier loan rise. Except this is our parents tax yakeleni xikolo one two says
Yeah.
although papa maye tshama yakela tax in a form of income but I knew ku ri ku na value added tax leyi nga increase by now again after I mean ka swona swa hi kwatisa leswi and I passed grade 12 very well guys my baba tshama na vanhu pasa kahle then I passed with 5 distinctions in my baba na number 1 ka Xitsonga na economics na number 1 South Africa hinkwayo or number 1 guy
and number pasi 4 and then number 1 kala kunyanyuka class banuthi like that's what I was good at that was my strength. Yes.
So I was that good academically. Kusukela grade 10 nzana ta grade 12 ange aswiqala ku ntluriwa. Ntsundzuka nga munhu tluriwa theme yin'wana vabya mara swi count. Mara nga run the competition at the same time and randa ku dyondzisana na un'wanyana. We passed with 100% in my class course. I was a person lava ku dyondzisa van'wanyana. So for you to pass well loko ri ku hari xikolweni pfunana na van'wana. One to say the more if you teach the next person, you are teaching yourself. I went to varsity. Ningene a tertiary la venge UJ. Ingele high school la venge vets.
No, but you
by Empire Road.
No, but they said the high school down the road.
No, high school down the road.
No, but we were above. They were at the top. They were millionaires.
We're coming.
Not in terms of standards. It's like in terms of when you look at the mountain is up there. So we in terms of the misavalia very le same when we hands APK then utela ku first time le kumokole ile hansi
so ngingene dash call ni study LLB leyi nga yimela Latin Legal Baccalaureus beveme swi crema anenda LLB in laws Latin Legal Baccalaureus sula ku Bachelor of Laws Latin mara nga ta xtiva Latin
so who should Latin
kunele LLB leyi nga na Latin only.
Okay.
So I'm passing. I'm not like pass varsity, guys. I don't wanna lie, cause I think I was grown up, meeting a lot of challenges and having to fight those challenges. But I'm mega sure no matter what, I'm not going back home. Not back at Ingana. Mega sure na pass. If it needed me to sleep in the library, I did that sometimes. Plus na COVID-19 for me, it was very hard to do COVID-19. And then when you realize that I'm a bad learner, logo jonda class lingana vanhu vo tala in comparison logo no jonda class ya vanhu va 20 or 8. So there's a reason why vanhu lava nge le ka private school va pasa ngopfu ku tlula lava nge le ka public school. Hikuva dyondza va ri in small numbers. A swi vula ku va tlharihe ngopfu. You understand? Like a teacher has a chance to communicate na munhu un'wana na un'wanyana at the time.
Okay.
So I wish our public schools can improve titala if it is possible, and then vana va nga vi congested ka one place. Swa damage a lot. It takes a lot of talents from the hood. Vanhu vo tala fa humelerile by now. So that's my background. And when I in record time at varsity, whereby I was in leadership roles, I was part of student affairs as a chairperson at Disability Council, and I also served as a head of department UJ Student Law Society, head of department transformation and disability organization there. I also served as a what do they call secretary board member APD Greater Johannesburg. It was I learned a lot there. So one thing that I can advise you, even when you go to varsities, join the society, and then even if kuna those jobs whereby you can volunteer to become a secretary, merely that without doing 30 minutes, and then you go to corporate world or you go anywhere, you will be having a skill to sell.
Yes. You passing?
Yeah.
IG. That thing is LLB.
lexi heti hi 2023 a ku ri lembe ra ro hetelela. And then because I was that guy loyi a ri na all funding from Palabra mining company whereby they had hunted me loko ni huma ka grade 12 loko pase kahle guys they don't like or if you shoot the scars and there's a possibility ku ri swilo leswa swi wela van'wanyana ivi va ta va hlohlonyiwa and then they will make sure ku va kuma number ra wena no matter what va ku fonela a ni swi tivi va PMC I overheard ku ri va kume number ya me ka Capricorn.
Oh wow.
And then van fonela and van byela ku tana for interviews. I didn't apply for a bursary. Mina throughout university andza kahle a ni ri sharp cause a ni kuma mali ya le hansi ka misava. So because I give the land I give the land and the land gives me back. Yeah, so after completing obviously and they have to take me. I'm a talent in my baba. I don't want to lie to you. I'm a talent, a very big talent.
What is the talent?
I'm someone who's special and I do things that are thought as we enter women. So they had to take me in a as a graduate PMC and they gave me good money, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
You further your studies?
Yeah, I furthered my studies immediately. I invested the money into studies. Every time I get money, I invest it into something. It's either kaya ni improve or someone. They say kaya na I will try to do that. Yeah, and I will do something each and every time when I get money. So I took my money register na UJ because I work as a labor practitioner. So I went back in labor law within LLB as a course. But I went back to do postgraduate diploma in labor law. I knew that it was not gonna take my time. Those courses are just expensive, they're not gonna take your time. You're gonna pass.
So
like maybe you are being disturbed and interrupted within your studies. Man, there's a chance to fail. It's a course. Yeah, it's 1 year or something.
So we 2024?
No, you complete in 2024 and then I'm going to graduate again.
Graduation with our girlfriend
girlfriend ni hava matwisisi loko ku ri kun'we mi nga ta languta video lewa mi twa ingaku swa fita ku ni va na girlfriend yeah I'm available mara you must bring something on the table, bring value and then I will give you value. Yeah,
like who?
I cannot specify but when we say bring value my baba this guy in a 300,000 in his bank account. And then you are bringing value. That guy will never forget you. So people are stupid because in a 500,000 or 3 million they will never get anything out of that. They just suck the thumb.
So there's
no value there because you can get sex anywhere. You can buy sex 50 rand, 100 rands or 200 rands.
How do you know this cost well?
I know. I traveled time. I lived time.
So why would they want to cost well?
It's a public knowledge. You don't have and some kuna wacho mina ngana albinism and iphungela blind naye bare ihlamulo chakera ala sathen udume ngo. So we were driving him over on this yami ane kamalandelo kumanyane kwana the crusade she's actually shifika shiyimisa more shiba hey mani malmu what is this shiba mara navuya shwe so
anganalelwe
no answer because I don't think ni munhu la nga xava ku sex for now. I'm not
For
ready
now,
for
I
that.
love that for now.
Yes, because I don't know, maybe hi ta va na strike na vavanuna hi ku lava vavasati mhaka va lava ku yi twisisa hi ta xava kunene.
But jokes aside, Wajol, how do you visualize like a woman?
Through a voice my baba you can identify a lot of things. Was tiva ku I can know ku ri munhu loyiwani i xaka ra wena kumbe njhani by just listening to your voice and their voice.
It's something you get trained or it's an instinct?
It's an instinct, I think. I was never trained for that. Mara I knew the elements that voice leti ti yelana even when a person is fat loko fika lawa vulavula ta byela you heavy.
But when as you talk about being fat, you know, like PMC.
Ku na vanhu lava a va ku ni le ku nyuheleni by that time loko hi hlangana. Maybe if you can get a picture of me before a ni ri xilenda ngopfu hi mhaka bava. Ko va ku a person must develop a ni nga ta tshama ni ri mun'wani and then people were gonna take me for granted. Sometimes swa laveka nyako loko ni fika ni tshama ka a sitting maybe or a disciplinary hearing kumbe ka CCMA yane maku ya wa byi vona musi. You must grow at the time. I believe in that, but you must not have a BMI which is above average. I mean, or the BMI which is above what is supposed to be. Your height and your body mass index must correlate. You know, yeah. You must be healthy. That's what I can say. I always do checkups for anything. Mina nchakwisa to andrami of course how on the negative.
Ngwatanga swi mpfana mi we. U kuma ri munhu rhandza ku vavasati vana
And rhandza vavasati.
Rhandza yini? Rhandza vanhu.
Vavanuna okay. Ni rhandza munhu un'wana na un'wana. Mara for romantic relationships ni munhu loyi a rhandzanaka na vanhu va xisati. Mara a ni rhandzi vavasati.
Okay, fine.
Naswona swi ta swi nga bihangi.
Loko rhandza vanhu.
Vavasati.
Oh, okay.
Mara ni rhandza vavasati.
Okay. We're going to have a lot of back and forth now. You lost your mother when you were 4.
Yeah.
Or when you were 4.
When I was 4 years old.
In reality,
yeah, there are some memories that I have of my mom, but they are very much limited.
And then mara nkoka wa mhani vuton'wini bya wena as a wu kula a wu twisisa ku fikela kwihi?
A no twisisa swinene ni ri ku byela ku I'm an author so I'm an author of a book guys titled Visionarism. Although vanhu a va xavisi leswi hi swi expectisaka swo because vanhu vo tala va twisisi nchumu mara va xava tibuku still ni va ni hlamarisa. Imagine man, you impart all your knowledge into you summarize it into maybe 100 pages, but still people don't want to buy so that they learn Kore. Without going to school, maybe I can impart my knowledge, but I'm sick. So man, koka wa vatswari info ukona, but someone must find a coping mechanism. My baba, maybe you are 35, it's an example. Maybe I'm 55 mina
yeah yeah.
Mara even ma usina afane ni rila ni kumani mina. Guys, if you are 18 and then we're at grade 12, you start getting that 350, go and hustle.
So I think magata ku rila magata ku, you know, like I engage with me na mhani wa wona ivi va vuya va khome tizimba and then I'm to get to come on for when can now as far.
I'm not papa mara. Papa mai sama yi lo ya hanya ne. Ai sama yi tsanda ka lera ro. We didn't see that void or mana ba go. And nina wa ni my baba.
laha Oscar Makam ku va
leswi hi Xitsonga va i swi duma ku ve ri va hahani va loya ya so loko Oscar yimbelela laha i timhaka to phusha tradition not ku ri va hahani va loya per se ku va ku va hahani va jealous and va navelela ngopfu vana vo vo swa kahle and swi fika swi twala nga ku se vo loya man this a ni ri na hahani my baba and na va ve va lova same with my dad. She was acting as my mom full time. And other women want to kuna vosati that's why kumtswara wa won'we and you will be a stupid woman ever ku va nga koti ku hlayisa vana va n'wansati un'wanyana because you know the pain na hi ti pain and but I do wanna experience that pain. You know sometimes no loku le ku drafting ka police ane ivi va ku 6 weeks after delivery munhu anga vuya ntirhweni like I ask myself ni ringeta no imagine ku va ka va twa yini sometimes and I will never feel that day but wena n'wansati u tsandzeka ku twisisa ku u fanele u contribute ka ku kula ka n'wana un'wana because u hi tishe la misaveni. That's so stupid.
na twisisa leswi swa ku deliver ne swi nga ku chavisa
A wu swi tivi
mani ku byela a swi vava loko a swi vava a va nga ta tlhelela va tlhela va endla masangu futhi
a hi swona bibele yi te swilo swa vava and na vavasati ne swi ku va vula ku swa vava ku na lava tswalaka hi ti-C-section and whatever but even if you wanna imagine the pain ku va ku swilo swi nandziha ne kumbe ku kurisa vana I mean ngaleki no kombe mara swilo loko swi nandziha ne you can do it again and again even in pain there's joy in pain yeah that's why va ku mihleketo ya munhu the part leyi processaku pain is the same part leyi processaku pleasure.
okay
Yeah.
una point kwala ni so you lost your second parent when you were 10
when I was 15
When you were
that
15.
hero of mine, that guy,
that man
that soldier, yeah.
and you were left alone.
No, I was not left alone still. One to say you will always have a parent. Unless umasa babsini kumbe. Mina I'm from a village and munhu n'wana n'we bota wa mina munhu n'wana n'wana I mutswari wa mina so I was left with my uncles the uncle that I related with a lot. He was not afraid to tell me anything. He was too traditional. He was historically smart ane kuri a ku ri n'wanyana yi endla na leswi va nge mpaxo leswa swo tlhava leswa swi tirhisiwa hi vuxaka Zulu khale.
Yeah.
Man to say that guy was so smart.
Yeah,
He knew different sciences, you understand, but was uneducated. He formal education. Want to say, one wakhala va dyondzeke ngopfu lula vun'we vava because I'm koti no dlaya mbuti want to say yeah no senga homu my baba I school so that guy and he used to teach me a lot of traditional things and a lot of realities. And then I have all over when I was doing my final year at university. That's why I wanted to pass. So just to honor him, he was a prayer warrior. He used to pray for me before I go to school and all of those things. You know, I respected the guy. So that was the last man standing. And Albacova Manya, not that I disrespect them, but that guy is then that I felt pain. Yeah, very real. Than the Baba Manya, man, and who. And man.
Okay, imagine I've got this thing that there's someone in your family. I don't know whether the sibling who's blind as well.
Yeah, there's my young brother. He's blind, but Minana and I were on different circumstances of blindness because Yana was born with glaucoma and Mina was born without any condition. So glaucoma and sure glaucoma let's also
School and Dundi, Marisha glaucoma is and
anything, a little thing about everything. That eye condition with what in Ghana.
I mean, there was like
So you must know a little thing about everything. Yeah, lo munhu afika kubyela hi akubyela ku what is mathalaji u fanele at least u vulanyana what is mathalaji or
yeah, metallurgy in idea.
Want to say at least you know some you know a bit of something out of Mara, you must know a little thing about everything is then that will say you are smart.
Okay.
So there come a condition that you so he went through the treatment and then solve until he grew up. And then he lost his sight maybe later on. After no look maybe I was a test. Never one am blind so that they can come after me so I can lead the road. Maybe until late and then affected by cataract, which is uncommon. That infection very cataract. Cataract is a papa strong. Before. Yeah, although no, I'm kidding. I'm a big fan.
No, I think he was just making fun of him, but anyway.
So I had cataract. Infection that affect one 40 years ago. And so I had it nearly under somewhere 11, 7, 9. I don't know and then affect the oculus dexter and Steve Koro affect because oculus sinister and I affect the key. So need to come blind and then the doctor about Yanani special school. I was and you were operated the other eye. I operated one eye long time ago and then the other one was 1 second was blind. And kind of Rama live the private hospital. And medical aid was so look at the current doctor private. Maybe they could have done something.
So do you think this thing is genetic?
It's not genetic. My young brother had glaucoma.
It's a
I have cataract.
Oh, okay. Do you think, look, where you're born and you would have achieved many things than you are today?
I don't think so because ni hyper. Ni hyper blind. And for me, I don't take failure easy. And but I was gonna be successful one day, one way or other. I always tell people who is good that I was born after apartheid. Maybe Bantaban Fini in exile.
You're in exile.
Antawan maybe I was gonna be a soldier or something. I'm hyper and I understand because the zodiac sign Aries.
He's the rest is one and So, man, sometimes do you feel like God forsaken you, that you are blind and people we see you? You just imagine us. I don't know how you imagine me, my dog. Like, how do you think of me? Like, I don't know, but like, do you think God forsaken you or when you take over? So, do you blame God? And that privilege I've never been in your situation. And this is Mara. That's how do you visualize a person?
Yeah. Okay, sharp one. Mansama Jolan, maybe Jona Chetutala to be
yeah,
Mansama
the
keys about the wall.
Hey, my guy, see, Pastor
Maramansama, Jolana Jerlana, how you be one to this. Basase to Dala and Jona, different races. Yeah, all that. Yeah, but I'm blind, And another thing, and combustion for safety, and I will never think like that in my life because I'm from relationship. Yeah.
For sure.
loko na mina u lava ku famba hi BM mani
Mm.
na mina u lava ku famba hi BM and I've achieved a lot ni ri ntsongo, you know. I ate enough money, like I've lived life.
Yeah, well.
Not where I mean.
Well, it's on with you now.
No.
Life.
I still want to live more so that I can impart to other people. I like that thing ya ku maybe ni ri kaya ku ta n'wana lava career guidance. Ku ta munhu a na 26 point a ku i lava ku va lawyer. Even ni kota ku n'wi wina. I like that. Mara mina for mina I know what I want and I'm doing what I want.
So how do you plan to impart this knowledge or whatever you have to the younger generation?
Is that common screen man la nga ku n'wi vumgobozi. Tihlanyiseni.
Ni kombela mi tshika screen church a nga pfumeli mina ka nga twisiki la. Ma byela ku fana lava la hi le ka landlord.
Okay, man, what I will tell the young people is that, guys, do not give up on yourself. Take the following steps, you will be successful. Number 1, know yourself. Number 2, do not wait for someone's validation. Number 3, don't punish God.
Repeat number 2.
Mi nga yimeli ku munhu un'wanyana a ku yini. Ti tiveni. Ni ta nkarheli number 1 and number 2.
No, that's the.
And then loko ni ka mi dyondza xikolo ne, there's something that you must know. Guys, a swi bohi loko ku ho tlanga ku u lava ku va IT ku ri u ta va IT specialist. Because swa endleka vutomi byi ku driftisa byi ku yisa kun'wanyana, allow it. Swa endleka ku mo destiny ya wena yaleyo because many of you mi fostela swo a mi qualify exikolweni but you can do something else and be successful, and your success is not based on the course that you're doing. And you know, read books, a lot of books in your life. Borekani, guys, learn something. Just learn to play a keyboard, learn to play a guitar. Like, don't stay without a skill. Take your phone, take yourself videos if you feel like you want to talk. Like, do something about your life. That thing will empower you to do something else, and that something else will empower you to do something more. And then one day, Tawana, the CEO, Tawo Telkom, Vodacom, MTN, through you. You can make it as well. Like, what about the limit?
So, advice ku agenda score.
Yeah, swi na nkoka ku kokwani Chauke na va dyondza xikolo.
Ne. Va tiva xilungu na swin'wana na swin'wana.
Xikolo hi xilungu hi mavava ende xikolo hi vulavula hi formal schooling. Papa mi dyondzeke formal schooling swinene. There are so many people, black people used to do informal schooling, and then they were very well ka swona. And although I tell Metalage, black people used to mine gold. If va tlhela va unlock the mineral out of that stone. If va tlhela va endla yini na, va tlhela va melta that stone. You know the science within that. Munhu un'wanyana teka 4 years a dyondza xikolweni sweswo. Black people used to do it themselves.
Okay.
And they used to train each other.
I love you too, Tian Benza. I'm not saying to you but I love your knowledge. I love your brain. I love your awareness of issues. So now I want to drive this interview into a different direction. Let's go. Yeah. I was talking to Jejon the other day. I told him, hey, I referred to J. Jones, I'm free, Bliss Boy. I think even Rosa the producer. I think this grouping is like a failed generation of rappers. Or they failed like dismally for me, and then they decided to look for another adventure or another movement where they can make money, and they need to take care of themselves. They need to support their own. You know what in time they have a whole sex, they have
I'm sure.
So they need to take care of those kids, so they need to find another movement. You were a rapper, you quitted, right?
Ni vone ko a swi na mali, and I'm still a rapper.
You are a former rapper?
No, I'm still a rapper. When I'm alone, I rap. I do. Creativity is easy. One to just to write a song. As well as 5 minutes, and so the problem I had is to produce you.
Okay.
So even to go around and come back produce you by that time it was a very big issue. I'm like the only song that I made it was successful. I was with Nigga Young. It is the only song. We titled it Love is Shit. Yeah.
And what?
Love is Shit.
Love is shit.
Yeah.
Okay.
One talk.
Okay, before you go on, now can you freestyle?
My baba send go. Yeah, but I can freestyle at any time. Wala ko ni freestyle ay.
Papa Lana go.
Okay. Ka Xitsonga hina swi hluke vokokwani Chauke swi lava va nghena xikolo va dyondzeka swin'wanyana va tshava na tsona va khongela xo Xikwembu xi va endlela swa kahle va hi endlela swa kahle hi lava ku basa va hi susa mugwava hi nga vi mi kwahle God. Okay, kokwani rhanga kumbe papa rhanga. Okay, at least for a minute papa Rhulani miyelani twisisani timhaka hi leti vutomi kahle kahle bya jikajika ku fana na vhilwa. You never know va ri mpfilo wa mpfilwa wu sukela mpfilweni. You will never know swilo leswiwani swi nge hisi swi nga humi ndzilweni. I'm done. Mpfilo wa mpfilwa wu sukela empfilweni. I Xitsonga swi komba ku hileswaku nge byi sukela ansingweni. A no tiva xilungu ntsena vanhu va hosi hi Xitsonga ne hi le Makumu dictionary swi vula ku ri ne wena my baba mahanyelo ma wena ku kuma ka n'wina.
So what's your comment about the people who left hip hop for hip hop to?
I think they sold out.
Yeah.
They sold out the movement.
They floyd the movement.
Yeah, they sold out the movement. They didn't Floyd. They sold. Floyd did a very good thing.
Okay.
Yeah, like it's we needed this moment ka South African politics. And just I'm not drifting kusukela ka hip hop now. So that moment was good. People, my baba time we saka local lava but they sold out in my baba. Why? Hip hop or rap, not trap. I begin with trap parasite thing. It and I begin labo drill aside. But rap, my baba, it is a poetic into a beat and a rhythm. Want to just so when you take a beat, you can share a lot of knowledge within one song. Want to just you can share the language within one song, and you can even share the politics within one song. At the time, it's sometimes guys, I bet with you, they will never say, "Hola, Donald Trump, this thing you do needs a flop. I think I need a flip flop so that you know bar and rap." You will never understand if you sell and rap. I'm South Africa, I'm the best. You will never do it this song, I think. You understand what I'm saying? You never do it this song. You share a political lifestyle. You share a lifestyle of our people that our people are dying of drugs and motivate them not to do those things. The information that you're gonna put in that song will be limited.
Yeah, right. Mtimbani said that because you know, like when we rap, we add English so that we can have bars and have weight. In the interview I did with him.
When we add English, sometimes. If you want to write a song fully so, you cannot tell me song actually limited without putting English. We reflect the society we live in. English. It's not that so boy. I can write a song with rhymes, with punchlines, real punchlines, without English.
Okay.
Nice and I can write such a song.
Are you happy with the state of hip hop in Gaza?
It is that. I so wish maybe DNK, there's this guy about DNK, was really into it, producer, Tonga rap, and people like Bum Changani, they can come back to resurrect this thing. Maybe the likes of Crazy Boy, Magarapa, they can resurrect this thing. I wish Mtimbani, yes, he cannot do it alone, and that's what Africa like to say. Because he was pushing alone for a very long time. I loved it. I was his big fan. I'm still his fan. But Kuna Susumana is a good rapper, but as a rapper, you cannot write all your songs in all the times because sometimes you write your feelings and you write your mindset. Maybe this mindset is based on that, but we can do better. You know, there are songs that Mtimbane made that they think an impact in our daily lives.
Like what?
As for example, that song I take a award. It's a very good song. I sang this other song. Maybe na you know, we used to sing good songs. And some good love songs way back then. Yeah, there are so many songs I cannot just recall them.
Do you listen to Alco the Composer?
Alco the Composer is one of the boys that and then I started rapping before him. And yeah, no, I listened to him.
He is better than you. I know what is now.
No, busy now, like I'm impacting some other lives somewhere. And busy now law.
Oh, okay.
Busy now law and then busy now writing. Alco the Composer, yeah, is my friend. I listen to him on daily basis. The boy is the best.
Okay.
And he is one of the people that the boy is arrogant.
Ulankarwe mwautera ngube.
Karo kwa.
Okay, uri 18 foot in.
Okay, we still have time.
Yeah, my boy is a bit arrogant to feature Ramun one-on-one. But I think if he can feature into this space, it have cover overtake.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Now I can interview you about your daily lives, where you work and stuff like that, but we'll come back to that. What's your favorite artist? Kawatsonga in general.
Kawatsonga?
Yeah, don't be scared. This is the positive.
No. Like, an artist is on my artist.
So the one I artist.
I mean, my favorite. That was your question.
Okay, your favorite artist is on Makam.
Yeah, and then
what is your most favorite creative?
My favorite creative, Kakash Tsonga. But then I was basically not a Tsonga fan. I love he's creating good music, Oscar Makam, and also I went to listen to Hooks after looking to the interview. Opposite of the street or road R81. So so he is also doing good, and yeah, let me not discredit anything. He's creating good music.
Good, yeah. There's a question. You spoke about you're a writer, you're an author, and you have a book, Visionarism. How do you sell that book?
For sure, implicitly, I'm selling books to certain people. I'm no more selling it wide until I see. Actually, I've tested something. It's called from book. Some people do not want to read, or South Africans are not ready to read unless you are a clown.
Like who?
Unless you are a clown or you have, much more connections that a department can buy 100 books. This other company can just wake up to buy your books. A school can buy books, but those books are not going to be read.
Yeah.
That's my worry. But Amazon, you can get my book, Visionarism by Tian Benz. And guys, let's read books. Let's read books. This other guy about Freeman Malulek. It's an author as well. Orlando, I think. If I said locate that book, I mean, he writes. The guy said author too. You go buy his books. Some of us who don't even need a lot of money from the public what the mother cover at post it publishing so that people can have the knowledge. Now once allow me publish a book next month and I can publish the book, who's going to read?
No, precise. So are you still on the journey to write?
Yeah, I'm writing a book, learning I title Campfire and Identity, whereby I explore the genesis of human species in Africa. And
so wala uzana xikwembu
and also
masungulo ya munhu.
Yeah, no,
Africa.
Genesis not as like the beginning. I mean, the ancient history on how people used to do things with our and and all those things. But was strong and one to say like also those things formal and informal education. If I visit a grandma somewhere there, she's gonna treat me different with Ubuntu than how I can visit another person a bento apolokwan it of country so hilarious as if I'm not a human being. So I'm speaking about Ubuntu and how it comes about, DNA, how we link with our DNA. How can I claim to be older than you, my Baba? Maybe Papa me cool Papa way. One to say, it means me now I'm of an old chief cow. Understand? So maybe the cool cow. And I was farming, although it was subsistence farming in Africa way back then. Like I'm writing based on that because Africans. I'm watching a book motivation so that you can wake them up. They will never be motivated.
But I think that's another good one. When are you releasing it? When are you going to release it?
And I want to release a card. I'm still testing the market. What do they really need?
No, release a book. What do you form a release?
This one I made release.
What is he doing here?
And the LLB.
From Condonia Budo, as you said, that's why you were first to be blind so that you can lead them.
Yeah.
Maybe.
University of Limpopo.
Never alcohol.
Yeah, he's a friend of Alco and he's a field rapper. You know, I'm not what I love for him.
Just let's become human beings now, man.
Yeah, I'm a human being. Always. And I love to book na what man? Kuna wauhlamberi wabo. Watalava kunlaye nito ikwila kutsala buku no problem tsala buku and then we'll edit and then we'll just keep it authentic. It's a publisher because I'm pushing this publishing house or also like I want to buy printing stuff so that next time I just print books. Then I want to help a lot of authors lava phela munhu utanga kutsala book is something so endleka kwa samsa. Yeah, so I want to help those ones. So another kuyifuna ni
lokhu shenza ngisamsabela mayini
I mean maybe isilo singayendleki khona la ehla on the surface where we are.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, if you know the mind the shendleka kwasamsabani na was you want to say.
Okay.
So munhu utanga vanhu ungena afika watlakula irejo wa mwana roba rosha ehla. Want to say? Yeah, so ni kume number ra yona nkuna ka Solmakam after loko interview Solmakam
ka Solmakam YouTube channel
a ku nga ka YouTube a ku ri ka ni kume ka Solmakam ka number phone ya bona
WhatsApp
ba lo nsendela
so ulala na Solmakam
swi bihangi sweswo
I'm good
in'wana munhu vana va tlhela va na nsati
ungolo kwinisa loko
ni mutwi a swi bohi ku vona nkarhi wun'wana na ku twa swi na nkoka maybe vanhu ta va tlharihile loko va avoida ku vona vanhu
a ta fika na ku yiva swilo swa vanhu loko yingisela ku mara lava hi vuya ka as I was talking about being human
ta ku byela hi nkuna
oh okay
so ni ve kuna ni ve cause vanhu va ta swi expecta because it was on a live video loko ni ku nta yi pfuna mavo and then nga ha yi pfuna but problem ya nkuna yi too dependent so a yi sungula ku demand swin'wana na swin'wana mavo ivi leswona
swa yelana timali
mavo ni kombela nyana yini swa karhata swo fana leswiya not ku munhu a nga nyikiwi mali ya mara
a hi ku va dependent
for a trend leyi nga na kokwani kuna ni I think
a hi ku va dependent i ku teka advantage lero ku munhu a reach out of this people lava nga duma va twa ku i na mali wa twisisa. I once wanted to interview this other guy. I won't mention his name because now we are good. I even interviewed him on Pastor Pretty podcast, so I'm just revealing who he is. So I texted him, asked for an interview. He agrees, and then the following week he texted me. So I took that text. I sent one of my friends. I'm like, you must have no, don't buy that crew. Because ukuteka advantage ma ukombele interview ka yena so itwa nga ku una mali maybe utangamba ina hamba kufanele lava swilo munhu lava n'wi loko ku wo fika loko n'wi interview n'wi vona chakini then n'wi nyiki yabo I just blocked him even today I still block that's better so maka ku va dependent va teka advantage and leswi swa fikisa wena yabo
no karhi wa kuma ku it will take nothing from me ane mara loko ku it's a trend ku ro kombela mali ane I think sukususa dignity so unlike ku ri ku vona munhu loyi a fambaka without xindzhuti it's a right in our constitution section 10 everyone has a right to dignity so unlike ku tekela munhu right yaleyo
it's about cheating so you must allow me to ask questions
okay I fambi ya kahle swa
but before that you know when you said tolo ahlangana tolo ne so you know like please understand where I come from one judge I'm like, this guy is blind. You know what I mean? Do you understand? Like, I'm just being honest with you. I even told my papa, John Manganya and Bassett. I'm like, you know, God works in a mysterious way. I'm like, and we had a very friendly, cordial talk. Like, we're just having fun. I'm like, you know, now I understand who as boy who
yeah.
Just listen. We had a very good conversation, though. So I just wanted to make that one. But I want to understand your life, Jenny. In your room. What is your life like? I want you to give me
I rent an apartment
where
adorobeni la Palabora umakhelwane walungunyana so yeah I rent an apartment kande adorobeni yeah ni pula remote gate obvious so nina movha nina driver mina bhuti wa mina
okay
wabo so that we can uplift each other obvious at the month end ni fanele ndla ku na yava a tsakini na mina I'm happy and swi costa ina so la ina room ya yena ina leswi la swona na mina room ya mina kuna bathroom kuna sitting where we do anything so loko ni pfuka nampundzu hi 4 ni pfuka ni gym nina bike nina ti-dumbbells so far na ti-7 kg timbirhi I wanna buy 10 and upgrade ka ni ya henhla so that I can be more fit na ku tlhela ni gyma more because I used to gym even manate myself so those muscles were taken by fats meaning that I stopped to gym at a certain period of time ni nghena shawareni ni hlambela shawareni ni rhanga ni light gisara after loko ni khongerini ni mina ni rhanga ku mpfuka obvious so loko ni heta ku light gisara ni hlamba ni va nga njima man ivi loko ni ka njima mati ma kufumela ivi ni ya ku hlambeni loko ni heta ku hlamba ni ayina maybe golf t-shirt kumbe hembe swi ya ku ni lava ku va bayi entirhweni ni dume hi ku mbala entirhweni dume ku mbala tisuti swo fana na sweswo swa ku xiambani mara a ni yimbi
sweswo wena loko bayi tisuti nghena ntirhweni
ni munhu wa ni munhu wa swona leswo swo a ni na suti mbala wa ntwisisa ni mbala ni bomba na le ntirhweni na mtlambarini benza loko ni ya ti-meeting ivi ni ya ofisini a ni hi 7:00 wabo ivi ni fika ni dropa damani ni lunghisa tikhompyuta ta mina everything xi va sharp ni cheka ku ri ku hava ti-case tintshwa loko na ti-case tintshwa na hatla ni ti-action a ni make sure everything is fine ku za ni nge mi dyondzi process ya ku mi nga ta famba mi va tiloyara ti-labor lawyer ta fake.
Okay, yeah. Let's go back. So loko u pfuka nampundzu ne?
Yeah.
A wu pfuxi munhu.
A ni pfuxi munhu.
I mhaka ku u create that environment or that environment yi installed somewhere where you know ku loko ni famba kwini la ku na yini.
I ku loko no tshama na kwala ne a ni lavi ku heleketiwa toilet after 3 days. Ni ta hamba ni ya hi nexe ni tlhela ni va safe. Na le ka hina a va ni pfuni nchumu. Ni vula ku a ni hluphi a ne ko va ku vanhu loko va majina munhu wa blind va majina mukhegula. And i va kurile manto sweswi and a hi va khomeni kahle. Va imagine munhu loyi a nga na 90 years. So a swi fani na mina i kaya ni hlambela ndichini a ni se vekerisa xava a ndzi vitana kokwana Chauke yi ta borha mati ni ta yi vitana maybe manto sweswi ni na swi kota ku ti tekela ndichi leyi nga ta va yi ri kona na swi tiva ku ti veketeriwa ngopfu hala back door. A ni yindlu liya yi develop-we na mina ri part of the process.
Okay, so
ka mati ni hlamba.
Okay, na sweswi wa tirha u hakela movha u hakela driver u xava swakudya
na hakela na yindlu.
Hakela na yindlu u sala na mali loko u herile
yo tala futhi ya ku ni kota ku survive. Ni nga tlhela ni save loko ku ni kota ku save.
Okay.
Ni tlhela ni endla swin'wana kaya maybe kaya va xota hi yini kumbe kaya ni na ku vekela ceiling ni kota no endla na sweswo yo hlayisana.
Okay, and then a ku na munhu loyi u hanyaka na yena vuton'wini misava. I'm just being serious now.
Ni na toti ni na yo girlfriend. Hi wena
Manje try mo mention vito if
no not ku ri if na murhandza ne it is uncertain for now. I mean it's not something that I will say I guarantee ku this is a person that I gonna loko hlangane mali va ni na munhu wa mina ne ku ta va ku ri yena and then
loko la ku yela
a ni swi tivi no vulavula ne loko hlangane hi ta hlangana na lo a n'wi tivaka n'wi tiva wantu sweswi yeah maybe u kuma ku mapapa wa ni ya fika hala ka yena yi nga va tshame hlangana na ye kun'wanyana un'wana ku chela tiyahya swa endleka mantu sweswi
why u mbala necklace vo yi chela ka gold shape
i ku ni ro xaveriwa necklace ya vana lavi ku yi vonaka a nga ta yi vona ku phembe ni nga n'wi xaveli necklace
i ncini lexi ni nga ku xereka ka nga vutisaka
exi baba I've lived time so a ni swi tivi ku ri i yini lexi nga xeraka out of anything that I would like to share no tsakisa hi mhaka ku maybe I've motivated someone by speaking like this maybe n'wana na n'wana loyi a nga na disability although I don't center my life around disability mara maybe un'wanyani like they will see something better than what they used to see. Want to just all I want to do is just to impact someone's life. Yeah, if I can do better, I wish to make the world a better place.
Okay, mizelo se julukina kujulu inchini chukwatisaka ngopfu vuton'wini.
Lexi ni kwatisaka ngopfu evuton'wini mali vava ne i ku va vanhu ne va tlanga ku vo ve nge swi endli hi voxe.
Oh wow, that is teenagers.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's teenagers.
You know,
Mkhevuli ni rich teenagers.
La ku a ko ti high five andani se voko ma. Sure. Ngena. So guys, you can fix a car yourself. Mina nge swi kota ne I'm limited ka sweswo. Ni nge drive taxi ne. But you guys can fix a car yourself. You can learn how to do it on YouTube.
Hey, that's a good point.
You can fix your phone than u teka 1,000 rand u ya lunghiseriwa screen. U nga xava screen xexo maybe 150 rand and then u pfula phone ya wena loko u xava swa swa wena u hamba u ti pfulela phone u ti vekelela u ta vekelela na va ka n'wina. I so wish ku ri family yin'wana na yin'wanyana ne yi va na first aid specialist. Maybe munhu un'wana na un'wana a kaya swi tiva ku loko munhu u vaviseka ku va na a very open wound ku na box leyi nga na ti-bandage and then va tota n'wana inani va n'wi yisa exibedhlele are ri safe because ku na swilo swin'wana hi lava ku endleriwa kumbe ku swilo swintsongo ngo imagine mina ku lava ku hlantsweriwa mpahla my va one twisisa na ti hlantswela mpahla but I so wish ku ni va na girlfriend ya ku yi ta ni hlantswela mpahla kumbe ni va na nsati kahle kahle ku yi ta pfuna na ku hlantswa loko ku michini cause mina ni rhandza mpahla ya white although a ni mbalanga ya white lawa and then ni rhandza ku mechisa ni mbale black ni mbala na tintangu ta white